Imagine waking up with clear skin, steady energy, and digestion so smooth you forget what bloating feels like. That's actually the transformation I experienced after healing my leaky gut. And in this video, I'm going to share my step-by-step guide to help you get there too. Don't watch this video and you might keep relying on antacids or feeling drained, never getting to the root of your problems. So let's continue. Coming up in this video, you're going to learn 3 crucial things to help you tackle leaky gut. First, I'll break down exactly what leaky gut is with a clear evidence-based explanation so you can understand what's happening in your body. Second, I'll share the step-by-step protocol I use as a naturopath with my 20 years experience to heal my own leaky gut. Practical steps you can start today. And third, I'll explain why healing your leaky gut is an extremely important thing for your energy, mood, and even autoimmune concerns, so you can see why this matters for your vibrant life. Stick with me and you'll walk away with a clear plan to feel yourself again. Before I became a naturopath, I was a mess, eating poorly, stressed out, and really unaware of how toxins were wrecking my gut. A trip through Asia, where I got food poisoning so bad I ended up in hospital, it left me with ongoing bloating and fatigue. That struggle pushed me into studying leaky gut and finding real solutions. Let's start with what leaky gut actually is. It's when your gut lining becomes too permeable and it lets the undigested food and waste and bacteria leak into your bloodstream, literally leaky gut. Sparks inflammation as well. Picture your gut like a bucket with tiny holes. When waste from your stool, it means it's meant to be excreted, but it leaks into your blood, putting a load on your whole body. Toxins cycle back again and bacteria slip into tissue, potentially causing molecular mimicry, where your immune system mistakes your own tissue for invaders, and it contributes to autoimmunity and inflammation. So why is leaky gut so essential to deal with? It drives symptoms you might be feeling like bloating, brain fog, fatigue, and low mood. And it's linked to autoimmune risk, since 70% of your immune cells live in your gut. So healing it transforms your energy, mood, and sleep, and even your skin. My skin was shocking when I had leaky gut. Like it really did, you can see. Now my skin's fine. Ignoring it, and you might stay stuck relying on those antacids or laxatives or those gut things just to get you through the day. But you'll never really address that root cause. So let's talk about it now. What did I do with my leaky gut? It's not just about popping glutamine or taking a probiotic. It really takes a holistic approach. I followed the weed, feed, and seed protocol. This is a very old-fashioned naturopathic protocol. Firstly, you weed out the pathogens like parasites or bacteria overgrowth, and you change it with diet, and you target those things with herbs. A microbiome test can help pinpoint issues. It's not essential. A solid weeding approach works too. Then you feed your gut with nutrients like zinc and omega-3s, plus stress reduction, because diet is just as important as calming your mind. Finally, you seed it with beneficial bacteria through specific probiotic strains, and long term you use fermented food and polyphenol-rich diet. And the diet and stress reduction are critical for lasting gut health. They're actually the most important thing, but you're not going to start there. Well, you do start there, but it's got to be ongoing, otherwise you'll circle back around. So foods like berries, green, and anything high in polyphenols, and fermented foods like kimchi, kefir, they support good bacteria, while stress management like mindfulness or a nature walk calms your HPA axis, reducing gut inflammation. I've seen patients like one busy mum cut her bloating just by tweaking her diet, just only the diet. So when it comes to supplements, specific probiotic strains like Lactobacillus rhamnosus or bifidobacterium can speed up recovery. But long term, you really want fermented foods and polyphenols. They're the high antioxidant foods to keep your gut balanced. I use supplements like zinc and yes, a bit of L-glutamine, but always under naturopathic guidance. Quick fix alone won't cut it. You've got to steer clear of overhyped products. There's always something new coming out, and it'll be the gut fix, gut clear, gut something. It's a longer term picture. It may help, but it's thinking about longer term and step by step getting stronger and stronger gut. So when I did it, my skin cleared, my energy soared, and my digestion became something I never thought I'd have. Working with fellow naturopath at that time, that's over 20 years ago, it helped me stay on track, and it wasn't a quick fix, but a sustainable journey. Now I can't imagine being in that body I used to have. You're probably wondering, what are the simplest steps I can take my gut thriving? Healing leaky gut is just a journey, and it's not just about big changes, it's about easy habits, and those little habits all combining together to fit into your busy life. And you might be a mum or a busy professional, you've got a life, you've got things to do, so you need those little things to do. And that's why I've put together another video, more easy ways to improve gut health, right here, where I share research-backed help for you. I've got the next video, so click on right here.